Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
A profit and loss statement, often called a P&L, is like a financial report card for your business. It shows exactly how much money your business earned and how much it spent over a specific time period, usually a month, quarter, or year. This simple document helps you understand if your business is truly profitable, providing a clear picture of your financial performance. It's an essential tool for any business owner looking to grow. The very first step to building a P&L is gathering all your revenue data. Think about every way money comes into your business, whether it's from selling products, providing services, or even interest earned. You need to capture every single income source, ensuring it's clearly recorded. This comprehensive list of all your earnings forms the top line of your statement. Once you have your income, the next crucial step is to list all your business expenses. This includes everything you spend money on to operate your business, like rent, utilities, employee salaries, and the cost of goods sold. Grouping these expenses into clear categories is important. This detailed view of where your money is flowing out helps you identify areas for potential savings, which is key for profitability. Now for the central calculation of your P&L. Simply subtract your total expenses from your total revenue. If the number is positive, congratulations, you've made a net profit for that period. However, if the result is a negative number, it indicates a net loss. This final figure, your profit or loss, is the ultimate bottom line, revealing your business's overall financial outcome. Your completed P&L statement is much more than just numbers. It's a powerful tool for your business. It helps you see financial trends, identify where you might cut costs, or where you could invest more. Reviewing this statement regularly, perhaps monthly, allows you to make smart, data-driven decisions. It truly is essential for the ongoing health and sustainable growth of your business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.